Welcome everyone. In this video, we will have a walkthrough on how to connect Confluence with HANA. So for that, we will go to connector modules here. We will try to connect the Confluence now. And as you can see, like all of your connected Confluence accounts will be listed here, but currently we don't have any. So let's try to add one. Okay, so for the test purpose, I have created one account and let me try to get the my domain name, which is the instance URL here. Okay, it could be your company name .atlassian.net. Okay, so this API token, so how to get this token? So here the helper text says check this article. Okay, let's create one. Okay, so here if you will scroll down, you will find a link on how to create API tokens. So let's create one. Okay, we are getting some messages here. So for now, I would recommend you to create without any scopes. Okay, and just let's say test token. Okay, and give the expiry time as long as you are able to. So mostly it will allow you to set a year of expiry time. Okay, so let's create one. Cool. It will give you this token, which is only one time visible. So you have to copy this thing, okay, and put it somewhere safe if you're planning to reuse it again. So I will just paste the token here, okay. And now I have to add the account, sorry, add the email address which is related to this account. Okay, so let's hit submit. If every validation check will be passed, then we will have this account listed here. Okay, now this message says manage your Confluence memory here. So we will go to the memory module and under the Confluence memories. Okay, now we will try to ingest some of the spaces that are present in the Confluence. Okay, so how we can do that? Let's click on add Confluence memory. Okay, now we will given now we will be presented with this drop down where you have to select your current Confluence account from which your space exists and you want to ingest memories. Okay, and here says Confluence spaces. Now you can add multiple Confluence spaces all together. Okay, and let me show you how to get this space ID. Okay, let me get done with this. Okay, so this is my space called product documentation. Okay, normally you can do two things here. First is directly go to the URL and check what is this space key here. Okay, and the alternate way is go to the settings of the space, right? And you can get the space key from here. Okay, so currently we have PD as a space key, right? I will paste that here and I will hit submit. Once the ingestion is started, it will have a tag of in progress. So now we have to wait for a couple of minutes till the backend get get your all Confluence related documentation in the HANA. Till then, let's explore what kind of content we have in this space. Okay, you can see there are two documents here, tech stack documentation and another one is design system. Okay, so after the ingestion is completed, we will try to do some Q&A over here. Okay. Now let's check if our memory is ingested or not. Go to the Confluence memory, and as you can see, the ingestion status is ingested. Okay, it means now we can use or query over the ingested space. Okay, let's ask Hannah what is the color theme of our product. Let's wait for a minute. Okay, cool. She responded pretty fast, and as you can see, like she did write a bunch of colors here. Let's verify whether they are coming from our documentation. As you can see that it's the same. Okay, so now let's ask what kind of components are in the VIP state. Okay, just to get the idea. You can also add multiple spaces together, and later you can sync them at once. So let's say like if your documentation required some changes and a couple of things have been updated, then only thing you need to do is come back to the dashboard and just click on this sync button. It will resync all of your content back in the HANA. Okay. And as you can see, HANA is beautifully taking up the states from the Confluence, and model and the toast are something VIP, WIP. And yeah, there we go. So yeah, this was the quick demo on how to use Confluence with HANA. I hope everything is clear. Still, if you have any doubts, please post the comments on this video, and we will link the documentation in the description. Thank you, everyone.